She thick. Oh shit. No! Oh my gosh. Fail.
Hey guys, it's Jenny and welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do like an easy eyelash application for hooded eyelids, only because I have seen a couple comments before asking for me to do that, and in one of my recent videos exenly was the one that asked for it. I'm gonna link her channel down below. Go follow her, you guys. She's super cute. And another reason why I'm so freaking excited about this is because this is featuring BADDIE Beat lashes. Like, oh my god, I've been wanting these lashes for the longest. Let's do a cute mini review on BADDIE Beat lashes. I'm just like so amazed by the packaging because it's so fucking cute. It's pink. I love pink. Look how freaking cute and pink. Let me open them. Prepare to be amazed. I just know I'm gonna be amazed. It's all pink. Oh my gosh. These are so fucking cute. And it has a little glitter on the side. Oh my god, I can't even. And I got them in hashtag BADDIE. Look at this. This is just so freaking cute. The type of lashes that I like are the ones that flare out to the side, and then I love the wispy look. It was like completely perfect. Like it's the best of both worlds. And then you just pull it. Whoa, wait. Shut the front door. I think these have like a magnet in them too. Oh my gosh, she did the most with these. That's amazing. I love them. This is what they look like. Let's get with the application process. Before I put on any lashes or anything, I like to have my makeup completely done, and I like to prep my eyelashes with mascara, only because I don't like putting mascara on my lashes. Since my lashes are a bit curly already, I feel like they kind of just blend in with the fake eyelash. So if you have straight lashes, make sure to curl them and then put some mascara just so they blend in with the lashes. An applicator that I love to use to put on lashes, it's like these tweezers right here, because they hold on to the band just perfectly. I'll just leave a link down below also for where I got them from. I got them from Amazon. Also, make sure to have your lash glue. I used the Lash Duo, and since I use it in the white clear color, I like to have my eyeliner also, just for me to cover the band with it. You can either put your lashes with eyeliner or without, just depends what you're into that day. Also, have some scissors handy. Sometimes lashes are too long, like the band is just too big for me. So let's get on to putting these BADDIE Beat lashes. First, I like to check the size and see if I need to trim the edge. Nope, looks like these would be good. Oh my god, these are so full. This glamature, oh my gosh. They look bomb already and they're not even on. Let me pull a Rich Looks. Do you guys watch Rich Looks? I fucking love Rich Looks. So since I already know I like the size of it, it's time to apply glue. Before I apply the glue, I just like to hold it with the tweezer just to make sure it's secure. And then I just go in ham with the glue. I just make sure to put a little extra on the edges as well. And then I just dry it for like 30 seconds or so. About 30 seconds already passed. Now I just like to look down into a mirror, because this is where the hooded eye trick comes. Look down into a mirror, because if you look down, like the hooded part of your eyelid is not going to bother you as much. And then I always start on the inner corner. Okay, I make sure it's on the inner corner, and then I grab it, make sure it's on the outer corner, because if you have them on both corners, then the middle will just work itself, and then you just move it closer to your lash line. Okay, now I'm just gonna put the other one and I'll be back. Okay, so I have these bad bitches on already, and first impression of them is that they are fucking thick. Like, she fucking thick. Oh shit, no! Oh my gosh, fail. Okay, whatever, I'm just gonna have to deal with that. I feel like I look like a baddie. Like, dude. My impressions of them is that I fucking love them. They feel way different than the faux mink ones that I've been wearing. These feel like real quality, and I feel like Jenny put her all into these lashes, and it's very obvious, like it's visible. And they're only $20. To be honest, for this type of quality, $20 is nothing. As far as the easy application process, I really hope you understood what I was saying. Practice does everything. Basically, those tweezers, they help a lot. Also, if you have any more questions as to what else I do, like any other tips that you didn't catch, let me know and I'll answer them. Or if you have any other questions about other makeup related stuff with hooded eyelids, let me know. Also, if you want me to review more BADDIE lashes, let me know, because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna buy another pair after this. Like, these are insane. I feel like a bad bitch. I really do. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I really hope it helped. And just like in any other video, don't forget to subscribe and press on the notification bell in order for you to be the first to watch my videos. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.